Okay, I'm reviewing this product that simply doesn't work. This is the brand. Okay, you see, I bought this on Amazon. It simply doesn't work. This is the product. Okay, I'm trying to connect my two monitors here, as you can see, right? My two monitors are here, my notebook, my laptop over there, and if I connect here, as you can see, I'm connecting my USB-C. You see, it doesn't work, nothing. And if I go to the settings screen and try to detect, as you can see, it's in Portuguese, but doesn't matter. If I go to detect, we didn't find any screen. Is connected. You see, everything is placed, but you see no signal, so it doesn't work. It's not plug and play as what is written in the announcement. You see, it's the Lemorele USB-C to Doble HDMI adapter.
I've been using this docking station for over, I think, 3 weeks now. It's very stable. There's quite a lot of USB options, and you can connect two monitors on it. So you can see I connected two monitors, and I'm using also the laptop screen with it for my work, and it's very stable. The reason I got this one is because my last docking station, it was blinking, so when I used to connect it, my old docking station, it used to disconnect and then connect again. But this is quite smart. It's quite I would say space saving, and yeah, I mean, it's quite stable and the quality is very good. So I've been using it for 3 weeks with no issues. Thank you.